G'day team, Tony here, and introducing the Base 300 multi-function light. Now I'm pretty excited for this one because it's actually going to be replacing a lot of the portable lights that I use around the campsite and the vehicle. And the reason for that, it's got heaps of functions. And the first being, it's magnetically mountable. That means that you can move it anywhere around the vehicle, and it's actually going to replace the working lights that you'd normally have hardwired to the vehicle. And if you need to walk away from the campsite, you just grab it and then you can use the flashlight. Now, speaking of the flashlight, let's talk about some of those lighting functions. So first off, you've got 3 levels of white brightness. This is really good to have over your cooking area so you can see everything nice and clear. You've got your red flashing light. That's perfect for those emergency situations or even marking out a trail for your friends. And then you've got the orange light. And this is the one that I'll be using the most around the campsite because that's the one that keeps all the mozzies away, but it's also got a nice mood lighting to it. But it's also IP65 rated, so it is durable enough to be left out in the rain overnight. And it's USB chargeable with a USB-C fast charging port to charge the light up itself and a standard USB to charge your phone or other USB devices. Now the build quality is amazing, they're super durable and they're so versatile. I reckon I'll be running 3 around the campsite and that's going to cover all of my lighting needs. Now they also have this awesome little pouch that keeps them scratch free, and you can find these and other lights at wildtrak.com.au or your local stockist.